Brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. We do the homework so you can buy with confidence. Love our mission? Hit subscribe and help us make the next review even better. So I'm looking at these two automatic espresso machines, the Philips 5400 LatteGo and the Jura S8. Both renewed, huh?
Yeah, I see that. The Philips is significantly cheaper, around $799, while the Jura is almost double at $1,499. Is the Jura really worth that much more?
Well, the Jura boasts a 4.3-inch touchscreen, which sounds pretty fancy, and it makes 15 different specialties with just a touch. The Philips makes 12 varieties, also super easy, but no fancy touchscreen.
Touchscreens are nice, but how about the actual coffee? Does the Jura really make better coffee?
The Jura mentions an Aroma G3 grinder that's supposed to be super precise and fast, preserving the bean's aroma. It also uses something called pulse extraction process, PEP, for short specialties like espresso. The Philips has a 12-step ceramic grinder too, and uses an aroma extract system.
Okay, so both have some fancy grinding and brewing tech. What about milk frothing? That's important for cappuccinos and lattes.
The Philips uses LatteGo, which they say is super easy to clean. Only 2 parts and no tubes, and it makes a silky smooth froth. The Jura has a fine foam frother, specifically designed for milk-based drinks.
Easy cleaning is definitely a plus. The Philips also says its ceramic grinders are good for 20,000 cups.
Right, that's a lot of coffee. The Jura doesn't specify a number, but it's a Swiss brand, and they're known for quality. The Jura is also heavier, 22.1 pounds, compared to the Philips' 18.58 pounds.
So it sounds like the Jura focuses on a premium experience with the touchscreen and maybe a slightly better grinder and frother, but the Philips offers great value, ease of cleaning, and a large capacity grinder.
Exactly. The Jura is for someone who really wants that high-end feel and is willing to pay for it. The Philips seems like a solid choice for excellent coffee and convenience at a lower price point. Plus, the Philips has a slightly higher rating, 4.1 compared to the Jura's 3.4.
Good points. I think it boils down to budget and how much you value that premium experience.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.